Hi, welcome back to Wall Street Confidential. I'm Deborah Borchardt. I'm here with Jim Cramer,
How are you?
and today I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good. Good.
Well, today we're talking about Sony, which is not so good. They came in with
Right.
50% down in profits. They're getting their pants beat off of them by Nintendo and the Wii.
Actually, the one bright spot though was their gaming division, which actually did pretty good.
The PlayStation.
Yeah, that was actually surprising. That market is still buoyant. Everything else was bad here, and Sony's of tremendous value. I mean, there's no doubt, but they are the ultimate consumer digital play and movie play in this. Don't mess with Zohan. Their movie division went. Everyone was looking for very big profits. It went down a lot. Their digital camera division, their DVDs, there's, speaking of don't mess with Zohan, there's don't mess with Zoran. There's a company, Zoran, that reported that it's DVD and cameras. It's like people stop buying cameras. It's like people just stop buying anything that's expensive.
Right.
People were upgrading Best Buy the other day. I think that's a tricky upgrade based on Sony. But Sony's in, I don't want to say they're in real trouble because it's too good a brand name, and because when the economy turns around, people will buy Sony again, and there are a lot of assets. But I was kind of shocked by this quarter in the way I'm shocked by Toyota, Canon. Canon and Sony are discretionary toys, and TVs are obviously really bad. They also talked about how the Olympics are not spurring any sales, and
So are we seeing the U.S. recession, bleeding over into them?
Worldwide.
They're really
Sony's numbers were worldwide bad. Japan was very bad.
Okay.
It looks like China's not that great. United States is awful.
I mean, they tried to blame it on the yen.
Well, I mean, look, right, but the truth is people aren't buying. I mean, I think that we go back to the notion. This is the consumer confidence number. This is the unemployment number, which I think is going to be bad. Although the government should be bad. Who knows the way they print the numbers now?
Right.
But I feel like that Sony represents the ultimate play on how the consumer's feeling and consumer spend, and it's obviously awful. There's a lot of things, Deborah, that are going wrong right now. A lot of things.
And the consumer is forced to tighten their wallets.
I mean, the one thing that could be positive here, and I've been emphasizing on Mad Money, is that gasoline could come down. I think they're going to crack oil real big.
Which would be helpful for the
that'd be
consumer.
helpful. But Sony was just
That's
wow,
astounding.
things are really wrong out there. And I can't buy Sony. I'd like to make a case for owning on a breakup value, but I can't.
What could Sony do to turn things around?
They have
do
to
they have to have a hit?
They have to break up. But again, they don't seem to want to do that. So I don't want to say you should buy Sony for breakup because the company's worth a lot more broken up. But they obviously have no inclination to do that. And that's the only way to get the stock up.
Great. Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
Deborah here. Stay tuned for more at thestreet.com TV.